Hi, my name is Abigail Nelson, and this is my fishing log application built on with .NET MAUI. In this module, I've added the GSI mapping to the application so users can explore fishing locations throughout Utah. The map includes 40 featured fishing waters, including like reservoirs, natural lakes, and rivers. The application already allows users to add fishing trips and view previously saved trips using the Google Firebase Clouds Firestore. For this module, I added the View Fishing Spots map option, and I'll select that now. So this map displays an interactive map using Leaflet and OpenStreetMap. The map contains 40 markers across Utah, which is more than the required 20 markers. The markers colors identify the different types of water. So orange markers represent reservoirs, green markers represent the natural lakes, and blue markers represent rivers. And then the locations count also shows how many markers are currently visible. So users can actually search using a fishing location by name. So for example, Bear Lake. The map zooms directly into that location and then opens its pop-up, and the pop-up displays the county and the region and the water type and then the different fish species. And then it also includes a link to the official Utah Division of Wildlife Resources fish Utah page, so the users can check like the current fishing conditions, access closures, and regulations, as you can see. That pulled that up right there. So the map can also filter fish species. So when I select rainbow trout, only the locations that include rainbow trout are visible. And then you can also change the water type to like rivers. And so it will only filter the rivers. And then the reset filters button restores all of the 40 locations. So this is an XAML page that's used to display the map inside the .NET MAUI application. The page includes a title, short description, a web view named fishing web map view, and the web view allows the application to display the HTML and JavaScript map inside of the MAUI app. And then the code behind this file loads the fishing map.html file from the application resources and displays it inside of the web view. This connects the .NET MAUI page to the GSI map. And then the GSI functionality is written using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. At the top, it loads the leaflet.css and JavaScript library, and the OpenStreetMap provides the map titles. So this array includes 40 fishing locations, as you can see. Each location includes the name, the latitude, longitude, the county, region, water type, and the fish species. As you can see, that's all those. Now this function creates the pop-up information that appears when the marker is clicked. And this function filters the fishing locations, creates the colored markers, adds them to the map, and then updates the location count. And then this function searches for a location by name, zooms into the matching marker, and then opens its pop-up. Throughout this module, I've learned how to integrate the GSI mapping into the .NET MAUI application using WebView, Leaflet, and OpenStreetMap, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I've also learned how to create markers, pop-ups, search tools, and filters. In the future, I want to add a way to connect the saved fishing trips directly to the locations on the map, and then load the fishing information from the online data source. Thank you for watching.